Hey guys, it's Garima and today we are playing Assassin's Creed Mirage. So let's get started.
Easy, Basim. Breathe. Was it the Jinni again? And what did our friend want this time?
To strip the flesh from my bones? Dine on my innards? Never has much to say, yet it leaves its mark. I can still feel it crawling on my skin.
Hardly original. You should tell it as much.
Forget the Jinni for the moment. The day is new. There is work to be done. Derwish has left another contract.
Who for? Them again? We would make more money selling water to a camel.
Come, Nihal. Where is your sense of duty?
Duty does not fill our bellies.
No, but it does enrich the soul.
I will be outside. The sun casts a long shadow.
Let us not keep
Okay,
Derwish waiting.
and
I cannot
here
bear
we
another
go.
minute.
These contracts. It is quite a few Darwish has pushed your way now.
He knows I will come through.
You have his trust. That much is clear. Do you suppose you have theirs? These shadowy types?
I should hope so by now.
Then they should show it. You take all the risk and they offer little in return.
They are liberators, Nihal, not merchants.
I know the stories. Still, the price of liberty should be enough to
या
feed us.
फिर यहाँ से हमें इधर जाना है. अरे भाई क्या जल्दी जा रही है वो लड़की. उसकी स्पीड. यहाँ से रस्सी पे उठना पड़ेगा शायद. हाँ. एंड जंप हो जा जंप भाई. फिर से रस्सी पे.
About this contract, I do not want you to mistake my words for pestering. I am only looking out for you, ya Sadiki.
It is no inconvenience to stand up to our oppressors as the hidden ones do.
Do you think yourself some hero of tomorrow? The next Gilgamesh?
No. I am merely the son of a public servant who dedicated his life to the betterment of his people. Only to be slighted and forgotten. But I am honored you think I could reach such heights. I may just aim for them.
That is not at all what I said.
It is what I heard. His wealthy retinue that drives this crowd.
Perhaps they're in the mood to offer donations.
Ah, I see your meaning. A little sleight of hand to sharpen our wits.
If this contract will not feed us, the Khilafa might as well. Come back here, would you? That merchant has left his purse on the
भाई
table.
बंदी घूम ले भी नहीं
An easy one to begin with.
غدا الذهاب لرؤية القصر وافق على عمل ذلك الطائر الآلي.
नाउ अब हम चोरी करेंगे. वाओ. एंड हो
Better
गई
leave
हमारी
before they notice.
चोरी. या
Come here! Ready yourself. I will pick them out.
A keen eye and an agile hand. A formidable duo.
ओ भाई ऊँट.
There. The boisterous one. He must have something of value.
ओके तो फिर से चोरी करना है हमें. एंड हमारी चोरी हो गई. भागो 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 भागो.
Sneaky, sneaky. And over there, by that stall, she's got some coin.
ओके, तो हमें फिर से चोरी करना है, बेचारे गरीब लोगों को लूटना है। पर यहाँ गार्ड्स है और उनकी नज़र उधर साइड है। हम कर सकते हैं चोरी, पर देख लिया तो पकड़े जाएंगे। लेट्स ट्राई।
Missed!
लो, मिस हो गया।
Run!
تبدو لك الشرطة متحمسة.
भागो भागो।
Nihal would have gone to Derwish's. I pray she is
पहले
alright.
ही भाग गई बंदी छोड़ के।
Khilafa guards need little reason to introduce us to their iron bracers.
Yeah, it's Basim.
كيف الحال؟ أهلا.
Well met.
Why. Here is the lazy boy. I've been waiting on you.
Someone has to plan our meals. Hold! Food. I would not flaunt that around the markets. Trust me.
Go to Saida's. She uses lots of butter.
That she does.
You look weary. Are you well?
It is nothing a little adventure will not fix. What do they need?
A shipping ledger at the harbor. It is worth nothing by itself, but the information it contains is valuable to them.
This is child's play. Do they not have anything more difficult? I can do more.
Never mind your ego. The Khalifa's guards are here in number, and you would do well to remember that.
You worry for me more now than when we lived in Baghdad.
My worry is the same. I've only grown too old and too tired to hide it. Bring the ledger back here, and do it swiftly.
We have not talked about my fee.
And we won't. Not until the deed is done. You know how they are.
Shocking.
He is just a messenger.
And you are still an errand boy. You can do this one on your own.
I saw them with all the... أيعقل هل أنا...
हैं? ये बच्चा क्या बोल रहा है? अजीब सा।
What was the final tally of what we received?
16 crates, 1 chest, half a dozen satchels. Only 3 crates remain last time I checked the ledger.
Give their handlers until tomorrow evening. If they don't show by then, we must assume they've forgotten about their wares. Open them up. Keep whatever catches our eyes. Dump the rest. Wait here.
ओ तो हमें छुपना है, सिंपल। ओ नो, मारना भी है। और ये मार दिया।
If I am seen, I will have to flee. Good thing I can outrun these sagging guards.
तो हम इसे उठा के कोने में पटक देते जिससे कोई देख ना पाए। तो हमें चुपके से निकलना पड़ेगा जिससे हमें कोई देख ना पाए। तो नीचे है जो हमें चाहिए।
Locked. A minor delay.
वाओ, अब की ढूंढना पड़ेगा। कहाँ है की? कहाँ है? पहले इसको मार देते हैं। एंड ये गया। एंड इसको यहाँ छुपा देते हैं। भाई ये सैनिक है? नहीं, शायद विलेजर्स है। यहाँ पर कोई देख लेगा, हमें वहाँ छुपाना चाहिए। चलो वहाँ छुपाएंगे। डन। अब इसको मार देते हैं हम। एंड ये भी गया। इससे यहाँ से मारना मुश्किल रहेगा क्योंकि उधर भी गार्ड है, तो हम ऊपर से जाके उस पर कूद जाएंगे तो डन। एंड ये भी गया। इसे भी छुपा देते हैं वरना किसी को शक हो जाएगा कि सैनिकों को कौन मार रहा है। आई डोंट थिंक सो इट इज़ कंपल्सरी कि इनको छुपाना ही है, पर कौन रिस्क ले, छुपा देते हैं, क्या ही जा रहा। चलो इसे भी मार देते हैं। एंड ये भी गया। यहाँ कुछ है क्या? ये गेट जा रहा है क्या? ऐसे की अलमारी है, अलमारी है। अरे यार, एंड ये दरवाज़ा भी अदर साइड से लॉक है। अच्छा, इसके पास है कि ये शायद इसके नीचे है, मतलब घर या ये जो भी उसके अंदर। पहले मुझे सब गार्ड्स को मारना पड़ेगा वरना दिक्कत हो जाएगी। एक तो ये रहा। ओ नो, देख लिया शायद इसने।
What's going on?
अरे
What? Leave!
अब इन दो को मार देते हैं। ओ नो, देख लिया। भागो भागो भागो।
It lost some land. It cost a lot. God, they started building minarets on Father's Day. So much easier to work.
ओ यहाँ भी एक पटनी से मारना पड़ेगा इसे। एंड ये भीग गया। ओनू से शक हो रहा है।
إن ذلك ليس حكيما.
Help! There is a killer here! Find some help! We have a killer here!
Peace, Basim.
एंड इससे अब ऊपर जाके चाबी ले लेंगे। एंड ये भी गया। ये मिल गई हमें चाबी। एंड अब वहाँ जाके हम ये की से दरवाज़ा खोल लेंगे। खुल जा सिम।
There. That may be what I'm looking for. I wonder what secrets
अच्छा,
this ledger
लेज़र
holds.
चाहिए थी।
Maybe I can get the old grouser
चलो,
Derwish to
अब-
squeeze a hint out of our contact.
Still in one piece, I see.
It was all too easy.
We could use some eyes around the city.
I'll see what I can do.
She looks important. You should haggle for a better fee.
Oh, Basim, what timing? Did you get it?
Without a fuss.
Give it here.
You are one of them.
There. It looks as though it was delivered this morning.
You're certain it is the chest you seek?
I am certain. Pay the boy.
You need something stolen? I am your man. Derwish can attest. He has given me all your contracts.
Then you have done your part.
I can do more.
2 of my best men died in this pursuit. I doubt a street thief would fare much better.
Then let me join you. You have 2 openings.
We should take off this thief without insult.
Thank you, Derwish.
Listen here, Basim. You want to keep working for me? You keep your head down and your mouth shut.
Why must you embarrass yourself like that?
Like what?
Like a beggar. Desperate for them to notice you.
Desperate? Nihal, I am good at what I do. That woman would be lucky to have me.
But she does not want you. You are a street thief with dirty feet. So why bother? Why keep pushing yourself down this path?
Because being a street thief is not the peak of my ambition. I have more to offer this world than my nimble fingers. They just cannot see it yet. Almost, Jessup. What is this?
Aha! This is my latest creation. It helps me fend off angry merchants when they, catch me digging around their wares.
I will consider myself spared. You smell foul. What is that?
We have been fishing at the harbor since morning. Terrible luck, though.
The harbor? Did you happen to see or hear any fuss over a chest?
Ah, yes, a black one. Very beautiful. Some burly guards took it with them to the palace.
Shukran laka, ya Jasib.
What are you doing?
They want that chest, and I am going to get it for them. Then they will see.
There is just no getting through to you, is there? Then we will do this together. If you get caught at the Winter Palace, they will kill you on sight. We will need a safe way in. And I know where we might scout one. That is if you can bear to follow my lead for a change.
You do not have to get involved, Nihal. I know your feelings on this.
It is utterly foolish. But it seems I cannot stop you. So I will come with, and nag you until you decide to abandon the idea of stealing a chest from the Khalifa's Winter Palace.
When you say it like that, it only excites me further.
Are we going or not?
Lead the way.
This is a mad plan, Basim. Even if you were to succeed and they welcome you into their ranks, what then? Will you forget about us?
Of course not. Nihal, their interests are our interests. You, me, and every other street dweller who has been cast aside. Living off scraps and dirty water. I can be an instrument that sees us out of that life. That Jasib can use his talents to be a real craftsman. That sees that good men are not cast aside as my father was. And no children left wondering what tomorrow will bring.
I hear what you are saying, Basim. But you paint a portrait of a world that cannot exist.
That is where we disagree.
لدى عمي بضعة كتب.
Blessings upon you.
إنها مملة جدا.
There it is, the Winter Palace. Come, this way.
Right behind you.
Here. Let us wait for nightfall.
ओ भाई साहब कितना सही पैलेस है.
Does where you stand not awaken fond memories?
Not so long ago, we were counting our spoils up here, under the cover of night. Just like this.
The stakes were lower then.
And so too was the prize.
Well, before you claim your prize, you will first have to reach it. As far as I can see, that will take some creativity.
We could always try the front gate.
You will have to let me know how that goes for you.
Where are you going?
I've had a clever thought. If your mind is absent of one, you should perhaps follow mine.
Wait!
It is dark enough. Come.
Nihal!
Fastening yourself to my tail, Basim. Very sensible.
I know how you hate to be alone. Keep an eye out.
I see some guards just that way.
यहाँ तो बहुत सारे गार्ड्स हैं।
A low roar. Leave my stomach.
Now where has Nihal gone?
कहाँ चली गई भाई?
Drinking got out of hand. Man, spilled out into the street where some bookies were passing by. You can imagine.
I mean, too old to do this. My knees are already aching. My eyes aren't what they used to be.
You really want to get last for lack of discipline again?
ओह ये रही। अच्छा हुआ मिल गई, वरना मैं अकेली कहाँ भटकती।
Have you seen the guests? Such odd costumes.
Keep your mouth shut. It only invites trouble talking like that.
Why dress that way is all I'm asking. It's not festival time.
Good. This door may lead us inside.
Not without a key, it won't.
Have a look around.
की लगेगी हमें। की कहाँ होनी चाहिए? वहाँ जैसे गार्ड के पास थी, यहाँ भी कोई गार्ड के पास ही होनी चाहिए। वो रही, उसके पास है। अरे यार ये लोग घूम रहे हैं। और ये मैं उसके पास आई और वो चले गया भाई। सीरियसली ये क्या मजाक था? वापस चलो अपनी छुपने की जगह पे। तो यहाँ से मैंने चाबी ले ली, वो गार्ड नीचे पड़ा है, उससे मैंने चाबी ले ली, बंदर की तरह लटकी पड़ी हूँ। चलो, वो गार्ड जा रहा है, उसे शक हो गया था कि मैं यहाँ हूँ। इससे ही हमें चाबी मिली। बस ये चले जाए जल्दी जल्दी। बहुत धीरे चल रहा है भाई, लिटरली है। चलो आ गए। अब इनके जाने के बाद निकल आऊंगी। पूरा राउंड लगाते हैं ये। लो, रुक गए थे भाई। अब चलना है जल्दी जल्दी।
Any luck finding a key?
चलो अब दरवाजा खोलेंगे। ये खुल गया।
The Khalifa appears unsettled. An unruly son is not helping matters.
The young man is eager. It's his first time in the palace, is it not? Let him wander, I say. Cater to his needs. This meeting is supposed to be brief after all.
Here they are. Come.
Through there. The Khalifa awaits you.
They have arrived, Mawlay. Out, all of you. I am to meet with them alone.
Father, let me stay.
Take him.
Looks heavy. We'll never get it out of the palace.
Then I will just have to take what is inside.
Gentlemen, welcome. Everything is in order. I understand this means a great deal to you. Rest assured, it will be well protected here.
We will accept nothing less. We will carry out our work and return to you when we are ready. Be prepared, Khalifa.
Might I see it once? The contents. If we are to guard this with our lives, we should know.
You saw nothing of this. You say nothing. Do you understand?
Yes, of course. Perish the idea.
Now is our chance.
Someone is coming. This way. Looks quiet. I never thought I'd set foot in here. Just look at these arches. You could chisel off a piece and sell it for a hoard of gold. You didn't happen to bring a pickaxe, did you?
I will keep it in mind for the next time we break into a palace. All right, Basim. Open, snatch, run.
Basim, hurry. Basim!
Give me that! No!
Do you have any idea what they will do to me?
Please, I am sorry.
This is your fault!
Stop! Please!
You thieving little rat!
No!
Run!
Nihal, wait! Father! Oh! Get that boy!
शिट मार दिया उसने भागना पड़ेगा इनसे लड़ने का तो कोई फायदा नहीं क्योंकि मैं मर जाऊंगी सबसे लड़के
Alright! Good one, but keep your guard up. We'll do
ले मार ले भाई ले मार ले
Go away! Find that boy! Sealing the area! Keep it up! Measure your strike, alright? Hey, you! What choice, bandit?
ओ शिट ये लोग यहाँ भी है फिर से मरी ना
Find that boy! Sealing the area! There, unit! There you are!
इस बार उधर नहीं जाके मैं इधर जाती हूँ ओ नो इधर भी है कोई ना हम यहाँ से चले जाएंगे अरे यार अब निहाल कहाँ चली गई मैं अलग खो गई हूँ कहाँ
Nihal, are you here? Nihal? Stop this! Please! What do you want from me?
Calm, Basim.
Nihal?
Not quite. Are you well? Good. Because I need you to tell me about this.
I do not know what you mean.
Tell me what happened. Silence is not your ally here.
It is not silence. I cannot explain what I saw. That object. It did something to me. I was somewhere else. Cold and frightened. Before I knew it, the Khalifa had his hands around my neck. It was an accident. I did not mean for... Just wanted to help.
We need to get you out of here. I have a boat at the western docks.
What? No, I cannot leave. I need to find Nihal.
Stop and think, Basim. The Khalifa's guard is searching for his murderer, a young thief of your description. They will not stop until they have found you. And when they do, it will not be a prison they throw you into. It will be a shallow grave. I'm giving you a second chance. Take it.
Nihal, Derwish, they are all in danger. The soldiers are hunting all who look like me.
चलो हमें अब भाग के बोट के पास जाना पड़ेगा। ओ नो गॉड्स, अब सब ढूंढ रहे होंगे मुझे क्योंकि मर चुका है राजा। निहाल क्या तो हमने कुछ नहीं किया। उन्होंने यहाँ भी गार्ड्स है, यहाँ से कूद के ओ शिट सीधा नीचे गिरने चाहिए तो वहाँ से कूद के ऊपर चले जाओ ऊपर। अब इसे मारना पड़ेगा। मर जा डन। ओ शिट ये और आ गया।
You're out of shape!
The soldiers are hunting all who look like me. I will not be safe for certain if I do not lose these guards.
वो नहीं भागना पड़ेगा इन क्योंकि इनसे लड़ कोई फ़ायदा भी नहीं, हमारे पास कोई हथियार भी नहीं है, इनके बहुत सारे। भागो भागो जल्दी भागो। ओह नो भाई, उनने कितने लोगों को मार दिया।
Basim! Avert your eyes. There is nothing we could have done.
Nothing! If the Khalifa were alive, this would not have happened!
Watch where you point your blamey little finger, Basim. It was your idea to steal from the palace. Also that you can impress your cunning friends. I saved us.
You killed them! You did this!
It came from over there!
I hope I never see you again.
Hurry!
आई थिंक उस पे नहीं भड़कना था क्योंकि उसने बस हमारी जान बचाई थी तो ये मर गया था।
I cannot be here. I cannot.
Stand and fight, you worm! Damn coward! You won't escape! No! Get back here! Keep searching! He can't have gone far!
वो नहीं, वो गार्ड को शक हो गया। यहाँ तो बहुत सारे गार्ड्स अगर इन्हें देख लिया तो लग जाएंगे।
Stop! Is it him? I think so. Good enough.
Move.
What are you doing?
Don't think.
तो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं इसके सेकंड पार्ट में। जब तक के लिए बाय बाय।